to town.
Hey!
What?
Come over here. The Cat in the Hat is about to appear. He's whizzing over to whisk you away on a fabulous journey today.
He's coming!
And now he's arrived in the thingamajigger, the thing that he drives. He's a cat and he oodles of fun with his hairy helpers, thing 2 and thing 1. It's the Cat in the Hat. All of our adventures start like that. Wherever you're going, wherever you're at, the Cat in the Hat knows a lot about. He knows a lot about. He knows a lot about. He knows a lot about that.
See if you can fly as high as me, Nick.
You see if you can fly as fast as me, Sally.
Zoom, zoom. Whoosh. Woohoo! It's fun being birds. And the best thing is, we can fly.
You know, I have a bird friend who can't fly at all.
It's the cat.
The Cat in the Hat.
Why can't your bird friend fly?
My friend Os is an ostrich. Ostriches can't fly. But Os doesn't mind. He's good at so many other things.
Really? Like what?
Why don't I let Os show you himself? We can even play one of my favorite games. Guess what the ostrich does best?
Yay! Cool.
To play, we must go to Savannah Saloon. Your mother will not mind at all if you do.
Mom, can we go to Savannah Saloon and try to guess what an ostrich does best?
Savannah Salou to guess what an ostrich does best? Sure, I'd like to know too.
Thanks, Mom. We can go! We can go!
I know! To the thingamajigger!
Bet you can't guess what I'm best at.
Swimming.
Blowing bubbles underwater?
I'm the World Fish Yo-Yo Champion. Up, down, all around.
Why, Fish, you are just full of surprises. Buckle up. Flick the jigger, my whizzer. Isn't this fun? Here we go, 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 go. On an adventure, the thingamajigger is up and away.
Go, 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 go. On an adventure, we're flying with the Cat in the Hat today.
We're off to meet Oz in Savannah Saloon. Then we'll find out what an ostrich can do.
Here we go, 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 go. On an adventure, go, 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 go.
Here we are at Savannah Saloon.
Wow! Do you see your friend?
Let's take a closer look. Going down.
Woohoo!
Cat? What kind of a tree is that?
That's no tree. That's Os, the ostrich.
Huh? Cat, how nice to see you.
Os, I'd like you to meet my friends Nick and Sally.
Welcome, Nick. Welcome, Sally.
Whoa! You're the biggest bird I've ever seen, Oz.
Thanks.
Nick and Sally would like to try playing Guess What the Ostrich Does Best.
Ooh, sounds like fun.
I know. Is being big what an ostrich does best?
Good guess, Sally. Let's see how big an ostrich really is.
How can we do that?
When you need to find out who is bigger than who, you need to get help from Thing 1 and Thing 2.
I see. These are some other big birds, like that turkey. Os is definitely bigger than a turkey.
And a blue heron.
And a flamingo. You are the biggest bird, Oz.
Why, thank you. I am, aren't I?
Ostriches are big, but that's not what they do best. Nick, it's your turn to guess.
Well, Oz has really long legs. I think he must be a fast runner. Is running what ostriches do best?
Great answer, Nick. What do you say, Oz? Do you like to run?
Just watch me!
Wow, Oz is really fast.
I wish I could run that fast.
What you need are ostrich extendo stilts. I had some. Somewhere. Aha!
Awesome!
Watch me, Nick.
Whoa, these are super cool.
Running fast is fun, but I'm getting a little tired.
Really? I could run like this for a long, long time.
Ostriches are great runners, Nick, but that's not what they do best.
Oh! Maybe Oz's long legs are good for something else, like dancing.
Oz, by any chance, do you dance?
As a matter of fact, I do.
You are a good dancer, Oz.
When Oz gets his toes tapping, it's hard not to join in.
Flap your wings, bob up and down, shake your tail, turn around.
Yay! Yeah!
That's it, Cat. Try it again.
Flap your wings, bob up and down, shake your tail and turn around. Yeah!
All right, one more time.
Flap your wings,
Bob up and down.
shake your tail and turn around.
So is dancing what ostriches do best, Cat?
I'm sorry, Sally. Although they are great dancers, dancing is not what ostriches do best.
Oh? Let me think. I really like your feathers, Oz. Oh, is growing feathers what ostriches do best?
No. But they are beautiful.
Oh, thanks.
Oz has really big eyes. Is seeing what ostriches do best?
They do help me to see very far. I can see that zebra.
Is there a zebra?
What zebra?
I don't see a zebra.
It's right over there.
Try these. If Oz says there's a zebra,
There's a zebra!
My turn. Wow! Ostriches really do see far.
they sure do, but there's still something ostriches do even better.
Oz, can you come here, please?
Oh, excuse me. Gotta go.
Who's calling?
I think that's Olivia, Oz's wife. I wondered where she was. Let's go meet her. Olivia, there you are.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to our nest.
How come your nest isn't in a tree?
Remember, Oz and Olivia Ostrich can't fly.
And that makes it hard to build a nest in a tree.
I guess it would.
They just scratch away some dirt so their eggs don't roll away.
Those are the biggest eggs I've ever seen.
Maybe that's what ostriches do best. Lay big eggs.
Aren't they wonderful big eggs? But that's still not what they do best.
Wow! These big eggs even make funny noises.
Eggs don't make sounds.
Unless they're hatching.
Oh, Oz, look.
Oh.
Wow! I've never seen a baby ostrich before.
Welcome to the world, little ones.
Aren't they cute?
What about the other eggs?
They'll wait another day or two. The eggs don't all hatch at once.
If they did, we couldn't give them all the care and attention they need.
What was that? A lion?
This is why I need my big eyes to look out for danger for the chicks. Oh, it's thunder. Rain's coming. Watch out, little guys.
We'll keep you dry.
Good thinking.
Thanks, Cat. Us and Olivia are a great mom and dad. I wonder...
Maybe that's what ostriches do best.
It is. Aren't they wonderful? Yes. Being a great mom and dad is what ostriches do best.
Well, I guess it might be.
It's certainly our favorite thing to do.
Ostriches are awesome. They're tall and they're fast. Their big eyes see far and their dancing's a blast. They have fine, fluffy feathers and eggs heavy like bricks, but they're best at looking after their family of chicks.
I can't wait to tell my mom all about ostriches.
Me too.
To the thingamajigger. Bye, Oz. Bye, Olivia. Bye-bye, chickies.
Goodbye.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Come back soon.
Really? Sure.
Mom. Hey, Mom.
Oh, thank you. What's the hug for?
For being like ostriches.
How are we like ostriches? Is it because we can't fly? Or because we're very tall?
No, and it's not because you're great dancers or fast runners.
You're like ostriches because you're both great moms.
Oh, thank you. Thanks.
Another happy ending.
Psst. Hey, kids. Want to find out more fun stuff about animals, plants, and, well, fish? Go to pbskids.org for fun games, fascinating facts, and fantastic activities.